Elegoo just unveiled the Jupiter 2 resin printer. Let's see what we know about it so far. So Elegoo debuted the Jupiter 2 at Rapid plus TCT 2025 in Detroit just a couple of days ago. And I, for one, am super excited about this printer coming out. As you guys know from the channel that I print a lot of large stuff, and this is a large scale resin printer. This is the first one that they've revealed since the old Jupiter SE from, what was it, like a year or two ago. So apparently this is going to be a bigger format with a few upgrades, and this is what we know about it so far. So it's going to have a 302 by 162 by 300 millimeter build plate with a 16K resolution on a 14-inch LCD screen for an XY resolution of 20 by 26 microns. And the Jupiter is going to have a max speed of 70 millimeters per hour, which would, give it a full build height completed in just over about 4 hours. This is going to be the largest resin 3D printer in the Elegoo product line, beating out the Jupiter SE's 277 by 156 by 300 millimeter build volume. So this is going to come with a resin heated vat. This is pretty much a feature that's going to be kind of like much needed for good resin prints, and it's going to start becoming standard on a lot of your resin printers. It's going to have auto leveling with 4-corner detection. That is huge for people just looking to get into this that experience a lot of leveling issues within the printer. It's also going to feature a failure detection and a time-lapse camera, which is very cool if you want to feature the process from start to finish and make some very cool videos. And it's also going to feature a 2-way resin pump that will keep your resin topped off and refill when needed, and also return the bulk of it back to its original container. And as you also can see from the pictures, it's also going to feature a 2-panel swinging door rather than the hinged top like it used to have on the SE and the OG Jupiter. And it will also have a dual handle build plate for easier access and much easier to pick up and take out. You need that with this type of build volume, because once that plate gets full, guys, you're going to put a little weight on that thing, and you want to make sure that you don't leak resin everywhere when you pull it out. And plus, your prints are it's going to be a lot more stable by having 2 handles on it when you're trying to take everything off the build plate. And with the resin pump also, I might add, this is also going to have like a screw top on it, so you'll be able to use third-party resins as well. They're not limiting you to their own proprietary resin. And it looks like another feature that it's going to have is it's going to have a quick release vat to change out the FEP on it, like the Chitu systems just came out with. And I'm actually getting ready to do a video on this as well. So this is pretty much a quick release right here. It's basically 4 clips that you have that will actually switch out the vat rather than a bunch of screws where you can really screw it up. The tension will be right, so you won't have to wait several hours and changing the screws and stuff like that out to change your FEP out. It's going to have a similar vat like this one. This is actually for the Saturn IV that I'm getting ready to try out, but it's basically just quick release on each corner here. And your tension's going to be just right. You won't have to worry about using spacers or whether or not you actually got it correct or not. So really cool feature on there. So it looks like they're going to be making this available in Q3 of this year. There's no price point on it right now. There's no word on MSRP. I will definitely be getting this one because my Frozen Sonic Mega 8K, while it has a much larger build volume on it, is starting to show some wear and tear. I've been printing a lot on this machine for a few years now, and I need something that can come in to back up and perform just as exceptional. Hopefully get one and do a review for you here on the channel, and who knows, maybe we'll get one early. All right, guys, that's basically it. I just wanted to kind of share with you some of what we know about the printer already. I'm super excited about this. Elegoo's dropping bombs here lately, so Really looking forward to seeing this one. Let me know what you think in the comments as well. If you like the content, don't forget to like and share, and also subscribe to the channel. So, as we always say here, until the next video, everybody stay safe out there. Get out and create something, print, prep, paint, repeat. And until the next video, we'll see you.